In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror on Samsung TV. So what you're actually seeing is my Samsung device screen mirror or cast to my Samsung TV. So this is quite easy and simple. The only basic requirements in this case is your Samsung TV and your Samsung device. They must both be connected to the same Wi-Fi. So it doesn't matter whether you're using hotspot or a Wi-Fi. Just make sure both your Samsung TV and your Samsung phone are both connected to the same network, and you don't necessarily need to connect to the internet. So once both devices are on the same network, you can easily screen mirror or cast your Samsung phone screen to your Samsung TV. And once you screen mirror your smartphone to your TV, everything you do on your phone will come up on your TV. So it doesn't matter which application you open, it doesn't matter whether you view gallery or not, everything is going to come on your TV. If you choose to enable portrait mode on your Samsung phone, it's going to come up as portrait on your TV as well. So you see that? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror or screencast your Samsung phone to your Samsung TV. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung TV and go to the bottom left, select settings. Once you selected settings, scroll down to general, then click on general, select network under general, then click on open network settings. Once you click on that, your Samsung TV will come up with two options under network type where you have wireless or wired. So this depends on the type of network that we are using. So in this case, we are using wireless. So I'm going to select wireless. If you're using wired, make sure you select wired. Then click on either of the options depending on your choice. Once you click that, your Samsung Smart TV will try to connect to a wireless network. And as you can see, I have a wireless network gadget right. Then you want to select this wireless network. Once you selected it, you'll be prompted to type in the password if you have not connected to this particular wireless network before. And if you have done that before, you should see your Samsung Smart TV connected to the wireless network successfully. Then, after then, you also want to make sure that you connect your Samsung phone to the same Wi-Fi. Now to connect your Samsung phone to the same Wi-Fi, all you need to do is just scroll down the notification tray just like this and click on Wi-Fi. Once you hit the Wi-Fi button, turn on your Wi-Fi, and once the Wi-Fi is turned on, connect the Samsung phone to the same Wi-Fi and then hit the done button. Once the Samsung phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your Samsung TV, then you can mirror your Samsung phone to your Samsung TV. To do this, just scroll down your notification tray and click on like this and select the option called the Smart View Mirror. Once you selected that, then you should see this come up. If you have connected to your Samsung TV before, then you should see the name of your Samsung TV, the series, and then hit the TV name. Once you click on that, then a pop-up will come up that says Start Mirroring with Smart View. Smart View will have access to the info on your screen or played from your phone while mirroring. This can include password, payment details, pictures, messages, and more. All you need to do to mirror your Samsung phone to your TV is click on Start Now. And once you start now, then you want to focus on your TV. Instantly, your Samsung phone will be connected to your Samsung TV. And whatever you do on your Samsung phone will also come up on your Samsung TV. So if you choose to, let's say you want to watch YouTube video on your Samsung phone, then just come here and search for YouTube. Then open it. You see YouTube also opened on my Samsung TV. Then let's go to one of our videos. Then open that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Samsung phone. So if you rotate the screen of your phone, this is going to rotate it on this Samsung TV. And there you go. If you click on the play button, the video will play right away on your Samsung TV. Also, you can also control the volume from your phone as well as on your Samsung TV. So this is how to mirror your Samsung phone to your Samsung TV or cast your Samsung phone to your Samsung TV. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.